JussNYC. JussNYC.
Well, good afternoon. Reporting to you live from Bronx, New York. We have a snowstorm. Very gusty winds. Today, I'm not going to be driving. I'm going to be taking the train. I have to head to the gym right now. Then to my mom's house, go see my family a little bit. Chill there. Haven't seen them in a while. And then I DJ tonight. Haven't DJ'd in a few days. January is always like a slow month. So
do not keep it to yourself. Tell a police officer
wait till
or
this
an
guy's
MTA
done.
employee, and have a safe day.
Thank you, sir. All right, so this was like our first real official snowstorm. You know they always name these snowstorms. I think this one's called Helena. I don't know where they get these names from, cause this ain't no Helena. This is more like a Barbara. Almost to my car, y'all. Almost to my car. You know I'm dedicated when I'm going to the gym, and the gym is not even near where I live. It's in a whole nother borough. Look at my car, y'all. Listen, whoever's watching and they're not from New York City, don't bother coming over here. And if you say, oh my God, snow, it's so beautiful. Listen to me right now. Don't do it, all right? Do not come to New York in the snow.
Come on, man. Come on, man.
3, 2, 1.
Glad I got that workout in. 6 days in a row in the gym. Not too bad. I should get a salad, right? Can I have a chicken pad thai? A chicken and shrimp dumpling? So you know they say New Yorkers are mean, and you know a lot of out-of-towners especially would say that. Yeah, we're mean. You wanna know why? Because of the f***ing snow. Right now I'm heading to my mom's house so I can go eat and get out of this goddamn snow. This is my brother. He's eating a Nutella. What is that? You like it? Here's my mom. She's chilling. Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
That's Nell, bro.
Yo, what's up? Everything good?
Yeah. This is my brother Ryan. Say hi to the vlog. I'm taking him to the Knicks game on Monday. This dog hates me, guys. He hates me so much.
They look good.
So healthy.
That's for me.
That's for you and Nelson, man. Share that. So greedy. That's my sister. Wait, come back. That's not my sister. June, let me get a dab. One more. 2 more. 3 more. 5 more. 6 more. 8. Oh! Yo, peace out, Ryan.
Okay, see you, man.
Peace out, my ninjas. One time for the vlog.
What? Dab.
You know. 1 more. 2 more. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Every
Anytime I leave the house, my mom checks on me. She like,
Making sure you good, baby. I'm making sure you good, baby. You take care now, baby. All right now, baby. I love you.
It is still snowing out here, y'all. Anyway, I'm about to head to the club now. I'm about to DJ at Bounce. Not sure how it's gonna be tonight. Be surprised, it might be packed, but let's see.
Don't blame me, you better do like Jamie. And blame it on the liquor, he working short. So they can't play on my court, can't hang with the big dogs, stay on the porch, love the whistle. So we look good and I'm thinking about getting at her. Okay, tell me what's a lot of. Hey, girl, hey, my shit. Big go, bring it here, baby. Big go, bring it here, baby. I can go on and on.
Don't take my shit, DJs. Do not take my shit.
Yeah, I got a few rings and I'm all the way up. And you can stay up. Hey! Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot box. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, dot. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. Hey. I don't trust nobody, grip the trigger, nobody. Call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. It's bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi.
You know what it is, DJ Just. I'm out. Peace.